Hello, what's up, guys? Good morning. Today is 14th September 2K25. It's Sunday. So, guys, I'm in full dress up. So, there might be something, special going to happen. And time is 5:40 a.m. So, it's a early morning with beautiful day. Something going to happen. So, I'm full dress up. Dress up means, I'm going out somewhere. Yeah, I woke up at 4 a.m. and after doing all morning activities, I completely dress up and everything is ready. This is backpack. Look, this one, and everything is going ready to go out. Yeah, today we are going for a tour with our company friends, and let me say more, a little bit more about that regarding our friends in our company SL Lumax. We are in production department. So in our production department, one section is there, that is a DPT, that is DRL positioning turn signal. So DPT assembly section is there. So in that section two branches are there. One is left hand, that is LH, and another is right hand, RH. So in that branches, two branches, we are mostly around 20 people are working in the two branches combinedly in our section. So today is Sunday, so previous Saturday and Friday, 2 days ago, we decided to go for somewhere travel tour. And after that we discussed each other, and today decided to go for out somewhere for traveling. So they have contacted one vehicle, maybe bus or something four-wheeler. So everybody, by now collecting money, we are arranging one vehicle to travel. So distance is little bit higher, around 150 kilometers from here, and to go that place, and in between we will try visit 2 to 3 places. So yeah, we we are around 20 30, no, not 20, but 13 14 people, or 10 12 person people are there. So yeah, so as for our previous day discussion, that is Saturday, our one person told regarding some places to travel. So let me show you this places and all these things. So he informed places, and for some places where to go. So let me share to you. We are in Pune district, so we'll travel around 150 kilometers from here. Approximately, maybe more than that or less than that, but around 150 kilometers we'll travel, and in between we'll visit places. One place is called Mulsi, and in that place some lake is there. I don't know in Pune district or outside of the out of the Pune. I don't know, but place is Mulsi. So lake is there. After that, we'll go to Tamini. The place Tamini. There waterfall is there. That we'll go to Harihareswar. Harihareswar place Harihareswar, and in that place beach is there. So we'll enjoy definitely in beach. And after that, we'll go to Pali. Pali, the place is called Pali or Ali, like that. And in that, Lord Ganesh temple is there, and also we'll definitely take blessing in that temple. And after that, we'll go to Kopuli Ashram. Kopuli, maybe Kopuli Ashram. And ashram means I'm thinking it would be like something spiritual place. Okay, then after that we'll go to Lonavala. I know Lonavala. Listen, this place previous also. In that place, I not visited. Waterfall and natural beauty, full of natural beauty is there. Okay, and after that we'll return to our same location. So this is the information I gather from my friend, and So in between, we will definitely enjoy the places like lake, waterfall, and all the beauty we will gather, because I'm new to the place and I don't travel very much out from Pune district, or in Pune also I have not traveled very any different places very much. So I am also new, you are also new, and in that journey we'll definitely enjoy the kind of beauty it has. Okay, definitely. And I'm in room currently, boss is not yet come, so when boss will come, friend will call me. When I out from room, I will take with you, enjoy the whole journey. Okay, till then, see you soon, guys. No, I'm already ready, and just now I'm going to out from hostel. Friend, on my friend called me, boss is coming within 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, boss will come to our chuck. So I'm ready to go out from hostel. Okay, let's start the journey.
यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से।
Guys, this is our ground, ground of our hostel, and we are ready to go out. Okay, guys, night little bit shower has occurred, so road is wetty, and also environment is surrounding is little bit wet with calm and quiet. Place is always calm and quiet. Is the side of our Indrani river, so there is no much building or not much crowded places there. So every time in our hostel side a little bit calm and quiet. Today weather is very good, little bit cloudy but no raining, fresh morning. Okay, in my nearer to my hostel, our another company friend will go, so we'll meet to him just 2 to 3 meters away. So in my way, which hostel is there, so we'll again meet to him, and another friend will come to our chalk. So we mostly 3 people pick the boss in our chalk. Okay, let's go and meet my friend. The name of my friend is Chaitanya Ogu. He's from Andhra. Okay, let's meet him. Friend Chaitanya bro is standing there. So good morning,
Bro,
Okay.
overall,
Guys, our bro Chaitanya bro is here, and another bro will come to our chalk. Nagesh bro. Will 3 pick the bus. His hostel is this one. Okay, let's go to the chalk. Just around from here, 300 meters are there to reach the chalk. Okay, we are a little bit muddy road, road condition like this. Okay, and weather is very nice, calm, quiet, beautiful weather with beautiful morning. Let's start the journey. Guys, we are on the way of going to Chowk, our DI Patil Chowk, famous DI Patil Chowk. So we are on the way about to reach, and highways, you know, just closer. Okay. Guys, our company friends are here. They're waiting for bus, maybe some extra work. They're going to company. Okay. Good morning. Guys, our 4-wheeler came. Just we are standing in our J Patel Chowk and waiting our friend Nagesh for our vehicle is here like this. Nagesh bro is coming. Hello bro. Now we'll start the journey. Guys, we are our taxi and our driver. Okay, and friends are here and some friends will join. Will reach. Okay, start the journey. Okay. This is the kind of roadways from our Jai Patil Chowk, and our nice driver is here, and also our jeep is also very nice. Okay, let's start. Guys are seeing our two friends. Guys, this is a place called Injawadi, and we are taking puja on our vehicle to have a safe journey like that. So we are doing puja. Okay, thank you. Forehead, some kind of sindur is putting. So we are praying God. So everybody come out from vehicle taking some puja work. So this is the place called Hinjawadi. How is the place is look like? FBR building are there. So from now onwards, I think I'm going to out from our Pune district. Okay. Done. Okay. अरे strike on ground है. ग्रुप नहीं फोटो ले चलो. करने के लिए करनी.
अरे मुझको भी लेना ब्लॉग में, ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है?
Nothing.
फोटो द्या मी काढतो तुम्ही उभं राहा.
Guys, everything is done and puja is finished. So we are here. Enjoy it. Okay, let's start. Guys, again we are starting from here. Enjoy it. The place called Enjoy it. Yeah, yeah.
चांगला व्हिडिओ वगैरे काढायचा समोरून घे.
Thank you.
आजिकाली पवन बासे खाली फागुन आखि पता नहीं गले आसे खाली सपन
से सपनारे तू तते छोई देले मो सते की आसुच फेरी ए जीवन
आजिकाली पवन बासे खाली फागुन जाबर हेला रंग जरा जरा चालू चालू पाद तले ढाली देलु रंग अबीर
खाली खाली रंग टिके देना बोली राति सारा उजागर धीरे धीरे हेली चगली
आजिकाली श्रावण करे नाही बारण भिजिबाकु मन कहे खोजे नाही कारण